welcome to Hands-on Magic. This video is the first video of a series that I'm doing on stones and how to use them. Later in this series, I'm going to be doing individual videos on each stone and how to identify it. But before I do that, I'm going to be doing a couple of short videos like this one covering the different ways that we can use stones. In today's video, we're going to be covering what to do when you find this stone that feels like it's just a rock, and how to strengthen your ability to feel energy from stones. Okay, so first off, what can cause a stone to feel lifeless? Well, for one, that stone could have been sitting in a box or on a shelf for who knows how long and has gone to sleep. Or you might not have a strong enough connection with that stone to be able to feel it. That's nothing to be discouraged about, though. I have a number of stones that when I first acquired them felt completely dead to me. So the technique for waking up a stone and strengthening our connection to it is the same one, and it's very simple. You take the stone in your hands, and if you have seen my Introduction to Energy video, you'll be doing a very similar exercise to the one that we did with the candle. But in this one, you're going to pull energy out of the stone and push it back in. Think of it like energetic CPR for the stone. And as you do this exercise, you're going to feel that energy building up between you and the stone. Doing this exercise repeatedly will also help to strengthen your ability to sense the energy of stones in general, because after a while, it becomes an almost automatic response to picking up a stone. Anyway, that concludes this very short video, and if you'd like more content like this, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.